English to Pashto sentences. I go there frequently. زه په وار وار هلته ځم. I go there frequently. I go there occasionally. زه کله کله هلته ځم. I go there occasionally. Do not break my mobile. موبایل راله مه ماتوه. Do not break my mobile. Please fix my mobile. مهرباني وکړه موبایل راله صحیح کا. Please fix my mobile. What is he doing? هغه څه کوي. What is he doing? He is talking on the phone. هغه په فون خبرې کوي. He is talking on the phone. To whom is he talking? هغه د چا سره خبرې کوي. To whom is he talking? He is talking with my friend. هغه زما د ملګري سره خبرې کوي. He is talking with my friend. I am courageous. زه زړور یم. I am courageous. I am coward. زه بې زړه یم. I am coward. I washed it. ما دا وینځو. I washed it. Did you wash it properly? آیا تا دا صحیح وینځو. Did you wash it properly? Who are you with? ته د چا سره یې. Who are you with? I am with you. زه ستا سره یم. I am with you. It was an accident. دا یو حادثه وه. It was an accident. It is midnight here. دلته نیمه شپه ده. It is midnight here. What time do you wake up? ته څه وخت د خوبه ویښیږې. What time do you wake up? And what time do you get up? او ته څه وخت د کټه پاسې. And what time do you get up? I wake up early in the morning. زه سحر وختي د خوبه ویښیږم. I wake up early in the morning. But I get up late. خو زه ناوخته پاسم. But I get up late. What time do you sleep? ته څه وخت اوده کیږي. What time do you sleep? I always sleep early. زه تل د وخته اوده کیږم. تل یعنی همیشه. I always sleep early. But sometime I sleep late. خو کله کله زه ناوخته اوده کیږم. But sometime I sleep late. I am on the way. زه په لاره یم. I am on the way. I am in my car. زه په خپل موټر کې یم. I am in my car. You have a big family. ستا خاندان غټ دی. You have a big family. You have a small family. ستا خاندان وړوکی دی. You have a small family. These are my children. دا زما واړه دي. These are my children. You have beautiful children. ستا واړه ښکلي دي. You have beautiful children. I am the youngest. زه د ټولو نه وړوکی یم. I am the youngest. She is my wife. هغه زما ټبر ده. ټبر یعنی ښځه. She is my wife. He is my husband. هغه زما خاوند دی. He is my husband. Dinner is almost ready. د ماښام روټۍ تقریبا تیاره ده. Dinner is almost ready. May I ask you a question? آیا زه ستانه یو پوښتنه کولی شم؟ May I ask you a question? Ask me. وپوښته رانه. Ask me یعنی تپوس رانه وکړه. If you need help, tell me. که چېرې د مرستې ضرورت لري نو راته ووایه. If you need help, tell me. I like this place. زما دا ځای خوښ دی. I like this place. The mango is raw. ام کچه دی. The mango is raw. The mango is ripe. ام پوخ دی. The mango is ripe. He is upset with me. هغه زمانه خفه دی. He is upset with me. He is angry with me. هغه ما تقار دی. He is angry with me. You will catch a cold. تا ته به یخني ولګي. You will catch a cold. You have sore throat. ستا مری خرابه ده. You have sore throat. You left the door open. تا دروازه کولاو پرېښوده. You left the door open. You left the fan on. تا پنکه کولاو پرېښوده. You left the fan on. I get up at 6 a.m. زه سهار 6 بجې پاسم. I get up at 6 a.m. It's raining. باران وریږي. It's raining. We get drenched in rain. مونږ په باران کې لامده شو. We get drenched in rain. Where is he sitting? هغه کوم ځای ناست دی. Where is he sitting? Where is she sitting? هغه کوم ځای ناسته ده. She is sitting beside me. هغه زما خوا کې ناسته ده. She is sitting beside me. He is sitting beside me. هغه زما خوا کې ناست دی. He is sitting beside me. I wish you were here. کاش چې ته دلته وې. I wish you were here. I wish I were there. کاش چې زه هلته وې. I wish I were there. I want to sit. زه کېناسته غواړم. I want to sit. I want to go. زه تله غواړم. I want to go. Do you want me to go? آیا ته غواړې چې زه لاړ شم؟ Do you want me to go? I wanted to go. ما تله غوښتل. I wanted to go. I love playing cricket. زما د کرکټ لوبه خوښه ده. I love playing cricket. Keep sitting. ناست اوسه. Keep sitting. Keep practicing. مشق کول کوا. Keep practicing یعنی مشق جاری ساته. I enjoy watching TV. زه د ټي وي کتو نه خوند اخلم. I enjoy watching TV. What are you doing? ته څه کوې؟ What are you doing? I'm having tea. زه چای څښم. I'm having tea. Where is the tea? چای کوم ځای دی؟ Where is the tea? Where is the tea of my share? زما حصه چای کوم ځای دی؟ Where is the tea of my share? She is humming. هغه بند خوله زمزمه کوي. She is humming. What are you humming? ته څه زمزمه کوي؟ What are you humming? Stop humming. زمزمه بند کا. Stop humming. Why did not you tell me? تا ماتا ولی ونوی. Why did not you tell me? You should have told me. تا لره ماتا ویل پکارو. You should have told me. I was about to tell you. زه تا ته ویلو والوم. I was about to tell you. I forgot to tell you. زما تا ته ویل ير شو. I forgot to tell you. What did you buy? تا څه واغستل؟ What did you buy? I bought a pen. ما یو پین واغست. I bought a pen. Did you bring a pen? آیا تا پین راوړو؟ Did you bring a pen? I brought a pen. ما پین راوړو. I brought a pen. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.